Hello, welcome guys. This is my second video for my YouTube channel, and I want to just say sorry for I didn't add my voice in my first video. Okay, so let's get started. So this is about the very easy program, not so it's not so tough, but however I'm adding this video on my channel for growing it. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly I will create a new class, and I will select the YouTube project which I created earlier. This is project one is for all my study related programs and all of this stuff. I just created this YouTube project for my all YouTube videos. So I will give name to a program like add. So I will import the java.io package for accepting the input from keyboard. So I will import the java.io file. Okay, so now I imported the file, and now I'm going to create a main method. Sorry, and args. Okay, so I will throw an exception here. So if any exception throughout the program gets occur, then it will be caught. So no, only exception. Okay, so I'm return here throws because of I'm throwing a user-defined exception. If you want to throw a built-in exception, then you can only write throw. So I'm creating an object of BufferedReader here. I personally like BufferedReader. You can import also data input stream and scanner. The scanner will be easiest method to accept data from the user, but I'm using BufferedReader before because I like it. Okay, so obj new reader. Okay, so I'm allocating memory for input stream reader here. Okay, system.in. Okay, so now I'm declaring the required variables here, which will I use throughout the program. Okay, and some. So now I'm going to accept the data for the specified variables. So I will give here a message like enter the value of one number, and other message saying that input the number 2. Okay, so the reason behind I using Java that I'm currently studying in diploma third year in computer engineering, and I completed my 4 semesters. So throughout my 4 semesters I learned C++, HTML, and Python a little bit. So basically I personally like the Java language, so I'm using Java language, and in future I will use other language if required. Okay, so I'm giving here a message enter number 1. Okay, so I will accept the data. So I have to convert the double string data type into double, because of in Java while you inputting any data type, it is defaultly string, so you have to convert string into your data type as you want to. Double. Okay, so I'm now accepting the data. So I suggest you to use readline here, so it will read the whole line no matter which is integer or float or long, whatever. Eclipse will suggest you to use only read, so it won't work on double or characters. So I would like to suggest you to use readline here in every cases. For example, in long, for float, for integer also. Okay, so click on like true. and again here, and I'm going to convert one more time. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add these two numbers here. It's not true. Okay. And I'm going to simply display here sum is okay. So now I'm going to show the results of this. I'm going to input here 00. The main or the important fact about double data type that you have to enter 0.00 in ahead of every decimal point for double data. So for number 2 I will, okay, so we can see the sum is 50 here, and we also can here multiply or divide or subtract the numbers according to our wish. So yeah, that was today's program. If you guys want any other program, then you can comment down below and request me to do so. I will surely do, and currently I'm working on improving my skills and my knowledge. So okay, if you want any other program, then you can comment below. Okay, so that's it